Welcome to day 6 of the Duffle Sew Along. Today we're making your adjustable shoulder strap, the very last step to finish your bag. Make sure you have your pattern ready and then let's get started. And this is what you'll need: 2 swivel hooks, 1 slider and of course fabric. Make sure to cut your fabric half an inch wider than your hardware. Now place the first piece in front of you right side facing up and then the second on top right side facing down. Line it up and then sew it in place. Open it up just like this. And then add your next piece, right side facing down. Line it all up and then sew it in place. Continue like this until you've got 2 strips, each measuring 60 inches. Your strips should now look like this. Take the first strip and place it in front of you, right side facing up. On top, place your other one, right side facing down. And then sew them in place on each side, using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And it should now look like this. Now turn it right side out using a safety pin. And then make sure to really push out your corners. Give it a press and then top stitch along the edges using an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. And your strap should now look like this. Take your slider and one end of your strap and then thread it through just like this. Turn it over. And then flip the end over your slider and fold in the raw edge by about 1/4 of an inch. And then clip it in place. And now secure the edge by sewing a boxed X or just a box. Now take your first swivel hook and thread the other end of your strap through just like this. Take that same end and also thread it through your slider just like this. Again, take the same end and thread it through your second swivel hook just like this. Flip over the end and fold in the edge by 1/4 of an inch. Clip it in place and then again secure your edge by sewing a boxed X. And this is what it should look like. And that's your shoulder strap finished. Now attach your shoulder strap to your bag and you're all done. And this is my finished easy duffel bag. She now belongs to a little girl we know. Now, if you're up for another project, you might like this one, the quilted boxy pouch.